Welcome to GKey Solutions Private Limited. Power BI classes with real-time interview questions and answers. Class 4. The difference between a report and a dashboard in Power BI.
In this class, we are going to discuss about the difference between report and a dashboard in Power BI. Let us see the report. The report in Power BI is a collection of visualizations, charts, graphs, and data insights built on top of a dataset. It helps users explore, analyze, and present data in meaningful way. Key features of Power BI report are like, first one is like pages, we can call them as tabs. A report can have multiple pages like PowerPoint presentation. Each page can contain different visualizations based on the same or different data. The next point is visualizations. Visualizations include bar charts, line charts, pie charts, maps, tables, cards, slicers, and etc. These are used to display data trends, comparisons, and summaries. And third point is like interactivity. Users can click on visuals to filter or highlight other visuals. It is like cross filtering. Slicers and filters allows users to interact with report dynamically. Fourth point is data model in Power BI report. It is underlying each report is a data set. It might be imported or connected live data. These are the different key features of Power BI report. Now we'll see the dashboard. In Power BI, a dashboard is a single page, often interactive canvas that displays visualizations called tiles, pulled from reports and data sets to provide an at a glance view of key metrics and performance indicators. Key features of Power BI dashboard are like, first one is like single page. Dashboards are limited to one page, often called a canvas. Next point is tiles. Visuals pinned from one or more reports of datasets appears as tiles. The third point is like pinning. You can pin charts, graphs, KPIs, and maps from reports to dashboards. Interactive navigation. Clicking a tile can take users to underlying report for a detailed data. Cross dataset. A dashboard can show visuals from multiple datasets and reports, unlike a report which is tied to a single dataset. Shared view. Data like dashboards can be shared with others in your organization for collaboration and decision making. Now let us see the summary of a dashboard and report. Use a dashboard when you want a high-level overview across multiple areas. Use a report when you want to deep dive into a specific dataset. You need to monitor KPIs quickly, then you can use dashboard. You need to analyze data in detail, then you can use a report. You are presenting to executives or clients, then we can use the dashboards. Whereas you are building for analysts or decision makers, then we can go for reports. There is a main point here that we have to remember is reports are built by using Power BI desktop, whereas dashboards are created in Power BI service only. This is the main point that you have to remember. Reports are built by using Power BI desktop application, whereas dashboards are created in Power BI services based on the reports which are deployed in Power BI service. Let us see these things practically, how they look like in Power BI desktop and Power BI service. Now let's see a simple report that I have created for giving insights about the report and dashboard. Here we have a report with a slicer. This kind of a filter, we can select all or we can select some of the cities, then it is going to give the interactivity like this, and you can select all the things also. You are going to filter all the visuals on this page. See, For a report, we can have multiple pages. I have different pages here. Even if you click on a particular visual, based on this corporate value, all the other visuals are interactively filtering. This is also a kind of interactivity instead of slicers we are using in a report. These are like we can use n number of pages in a report, and here we can use different KPIs, cards, something like that, and slicers. And here we will be having filters as well. Here we are having different types of filters. Filters on a page, we can have a filter on a particular page, and filters on all pages, something like that. We'll be having separate filters concept in reports that are created in Power BI desktop. Once we publish these reports into Power BI service, then only we can able to create the dashboards. The thing or the visuals or the reports that we are creating by using the Power BI desktop, the combination of all these files, we can call it as .pbix files. They will be having multiple pages for the report. Once we deploy these reports into Power BI service, let us see. I have deployed two of the reports. First report is GKey sales report and GKey sales report _1. These are the two reports. First report is having single page. This is the first report. And second report will be having 2 pages like this, page 1 and page 2. Here also you can have the interactivity like this. You can select whatever the things you want, otherwise you can select all these things like this. You'll have the interactivity. Okay, see, on particular visual also, if you click, all the visuals are going to interactively filter. This is how the reports are deployed into the Power BI services. Once we deploy the reports into Power BI Power BI services, we are having 2 reports here and 2 datasets for each report. If you want to create a dashboard, that is not possible in Power BI desktop. You have to create a dashboard in Power BI report service. See here, new item. If you click on the dashboard, GKey sales dashboard, you are creating like this. Now the dashboard has been created. If you want to pin the visuals into this dashboard, you can just open this report. From this report, we'll be having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and these are the different cards also we are having. If you want any visual or a card or a KPI, you can add or pin to that particular dashboard that we have created. Let us try by pinning this visual from GKey sales report. We are pinning to the GKey sales dashboard that we have created. Now one visual has been pinned from this report and another visual we are pinning from this report. We have pinned 2 visuals, and let us take one KPI as well, or a card we are pinning to the dashboard. And let us go to the next report, that is GKey sales report. It is having 2 pages. From here also we can pin whatever the visuals we want. Okay, this visuals, this one I am just pinning to the existing dashboard, and this visual also I am just trying to pin the visual to the GKey sales dashboard only. And from another page also I am trying to pin another visual, same dashboard, and here I'm trying to take a gauze which works as a KPI. See, now we have pinned different visuals from different pages and reports. Let's go to the dashboard here. This is how we have pinned different visuals. What are the different visuals we require? We are pinning them from different reports with different visuals. In this way we can create a dashboard This dashboard we can present it to the executive, what are the people they want a particular visuals or KPIs they want to see. Then we can share this dashboard to the users in the organization. This is how we are going to create a dashboard and a report. Dashboards are created in Power BI service based on the reports which are developed in Power BI desktop, published to Power BI service. Once we deploy any report from Power BI desktop, there will be two things will be deployed. One would be the report and another would be the data set. In Power BI service, we are calling it as semantic model. Based on this reports or a data set, we are going to create the dashboard. We used to pin the different visuals in different pages or different reports in a particular workspace. This is how we are going to create the dashboard. Dashboards are created in Power BI service, whereas reports are created by using Power BI desktop application, and we are going to deploy them into Power BI service, which is a cloud-based thing. This is the main difference between the report and the dashboard. Thank you.
Stay connected with GKey IT solutions on all your favorite platforms. Follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content. Join the GKey community and grow your IT career with us.